and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and we've got a few items launching for our June launch this month. I have a big beast of a one here. But yeah, we've got a few different items. We have actually launched a couple of them sort of straight away. But yeah, I will get into that. So these are the new items that will launch in our shop, addmorezest.com, for June of 2023, and they will launch on the 9th of June at 9 p.m. BST. So British summertime, British Standard Time, whatever it is. Just type into Google 9 p.m. BST in and then put your time zone and it will tell you your time it will launch. But yeah, we have a few different items. So what has launched, or what we have put available straight away, is our new 24mm rings. So these are if you want to expand the likes of your logbook so that you can fit more pages in. The logbooks all come with 18mm rings, as do pretty much all of our books come with those. It only tends to be when we do a New Year planner that they come with the bigger ones. So this comes with the 18mm rings, and if you've added that many pages, we now have coloured rings available in 24mm as well. We still do have the black available as standard, but we have put these in as available now because we have launched our, well, slightly revised Logbook Bundle. So our original Logbook Bundle is the Add More Zest pouch that you can use to either hold your spares, or I actually can fit my logbook inside it, but some people use it to hold their spare pages, extra pages to add to their logbook, a pen, some washi tape, you know, all sorts of different bits, and they keep them together. But our original wooden pen, we actually have sold out of all of our logbook bundles that come with a wooden pen, but we have our new ones. So these are now silver with Add More Zest, and they are black ink. So we have brought these out and revitalised our bundle. So our bundle now comes with a pouch, a logbook, bigger discs in a matching colour. So if you order the purple logbook, you get the purple discs, pink, pink, etc, etc, and our new Add More Zest pen. So that bundle is now available as well. So that's what's launched straight away. Then we have a couple of limited edition items for June, and we have some more stock items for June. So our limited edition, we have our Add More Zest tray, which is our bigger tray. This is available in plum. I mean, I think it was actually called purple originally, but we definitely think it's more plum than purple. And in the Zesty tray, we have brought out the pink glitter. So this does have silver sparkle glitter within it. Try and hold it in a few different angles. It's slightly translucent as well. You can probably see my fingers underneath the tray a little bit more than you can with others. So these are the two trays for this month. We also have a bundle which includes the coordinating trashy trays. They are a lot more limited than the trays themselves. But yeah, they are our limited editions for June. And then our stock items, we have brought in this A5 Masonite clipboard. It's actually from the same company that does the display books for the Paint Gem mini paintings. These ones, it's from the same company. when we did a restock, we have ordered in some of these. I've actually been using these a lot last week when I was away. So I have clipped the Paint Gem mini painting underneath, including top cover, and then I can peel back the top cover, and you actually find that for a bit it just sticks there. I found it's only when I'm getting near the end of the painting, especially if I'm moving it around on my lap, that this starts to get a little bit, you know, tries to flip itself back over. You could tape it with washi tape. You could, of course, take the whole thing off. But I found it really handy having this clipboard to be able to sit in different positions on the couch, mainly a little bit more laid back, a little bit more with my back resting across the couch and being able to do this. I did actually sit a couple of times with my instead of my orientation being sat on the couch, I actually was sat with my back resting against the arm of the couch and just had my knees up, and this was propped on my knees, and I was diamond painting. So yeah, we've brought those out. They're a bargain, to be honest, worth having, even just for around the house. I actually use a small clipboard for tracking my heaven and earth design and where I'm up to, but we've added those to our stock if they take your fancy. And then our other stock item that has been well awaited, and the reason this video is slightly delayed is they only arrived yesterday, is our tray storage. So if I can get it so I can show it truly on camera. So this at the moment has the More Zest trays fit in with the spout just touching out, so you can see, which means you can grab it easy. This is the storage system that I am currently using for my June waffle, and I am able to grab a tray very easily. I have the spouts both pointing the same way. So this has the More Zest trays. This side is the zesty trays. I prefer to also put them in and let the spout rest against the side. However, you can pop it so that they are in fully if you wish. However, as I say, I like to have it there. You've got space then for a trashy tray, or you could put the trashy tray behind it. It's up to you. There's a couple of different options with the zesty tray on how you want to store it in this storage. But yes, the diamond painting tray storage is coming on the 9th of June, and I am so excited that I can now try and organise my trays and get all the past limited edition trays up and in my storage so that they all look pretty. You may see that we've done the photos with stock colours. The purple stock colour will be coming. That is next month. We now have hold of the filament. We decided on the colour, and then the filament went out of stock for a couple of months. But it is now in-house, so we will be beavering away printing trays so that we can bring this out as a basic colour for next month. So all of our basic colours look so pretty on here, and if you are lucky enough to have any of our limited edition, you can go crazy with your rainbow colours. So yeah, these will all be launching on the 9th of June at 9 PM British Standard Time. All the measurements for the tray storage are all on the website with pictures. You can also sign up for the wait list, which means you will be sent an email when they are available to purchase. The trays are limited, the rest are stock items. So if they do go out of stock, it will be something we'll be restocking. Same with the tray storage, it will be a stock item. We have got in what I believe is a decent amount. However, if, as happens often, if stock of course goes really quickly, we will be restocking. It just may take us a little bit to restock these because these get shipped in by boat. The display books, we ordered in absolutely loads of the display books, and they did actually all go. However, they are a UK supplier, so we were able to get those in without you guys really noticing. We will be able to with the clipboards as well. But the tray storage, if you see it go out of stock, it will be coming back as soon as we can get more ordered. But hopefully we have ordered enough for everybody. So yeah, that is our exciting June launch. I absolutely love this. I'm actually thinking of keeping one of these tray organisers just like this, with all the stock colours, and then mess about with the other colours that have been limited edition and get them in nice rainbow orders. I'm also excited to see how they are so that I can visually see gaps that we may have in trays that we've offered. And maybe some colours we'll be able to offer in a zesty, or some that we've only done in a zesty we'll be able to do in a big. I'm looking forward to getting them all laid out for that. But anyway, yeah, please visit the website. It is detailed down below, or just go to addmorezest.com and express your interest. The wait list, or being on the wait list to be sent an email, does really help us, because if those wait lists exceed our expectations for a particular item, it does mean that we can get orders in quicker. And then potentially get restocks quicker, or indeed the likes of a UK company, we can get restocks in probably before launch. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down below what is your favourite, and I'll speak to you all again soon.